So a lot of clients, taxpayers, their biggest fear is the IRS. They don't want the IRS knocking on their door um, because of some position that they took on their tax return. So a question I get often asked is, are these strategies that you're going to recommend to me? Is it going to raise a red flag? Is the IRS going to come knocking on my door? They're going to ask like, well, you haven't done that before. Why is it material? Why is it different now? And I'm here to assure you that any strategy that we recommend is either backed by the Internal Revenue Code or supported by IRS court cases. My goal is not to throw you into the frying pan and get you in trouble with the IRS. We don't recommend anything that's gray or shady or questionable or illegal. I don't. I have to be held to a higher standard as well. If your income is understated significantly on a tax return, tax preparers also get fined for taking those positions. So, I'm not in the business of paying penalties and fines to the IRS. I'm not here to put you under a microscope with them. My job is just really to recommend strategies that are already in the Internal Revenue Code that you may not be taking advantage of because simply you're just not aware of them or just maybe not educated to them. But I can guarantee you that everything that I recommend is supported by the Internal Revenue Code. And if you did by chance hit the audit lottery and you were randomly selected for an audit, I am 1,000% confident that whatever strategy we recommend is not going to be scrutinized because we have the Internal Revenue Code reference to support any position we take. So there's really no fear in implementing strategies.